What the hell? How did I just miss that? They just launched a rocket. Oh, how freaking cool is this? Wow. So I'm just looking at this crazy abandoned boat and I heard it and there goes a rocket. That was my bucket list. I really wanted to see a rocket get launched. I kind of missed that one, but that's so freaking cool. It's freaking landing. Shit, where's it gone? Where's it gone? It's just landing. Damn it, Elon Musk, damn you. I was going to say I didn't get that. It's so quiet, but I think it just exploded. That shockwave scared the life out of me.